Hey, this is Mr. Whump from UME Academy, and this is Game Review Showdown. Every episode, I play a popular video game, then I build my own game at UME Academy's Creator Club, then I decide which game I like best. Today, we're reviewing Psychonauts 2. The original Psychonauts came out in 2005, and I loved it. 16 years later, we finally get a sequel. I'm thrilled to report that Psychonauts 2 picks up where the original left off with all the same level of fun, exciting gameplay, puzzles, mysteries, and terrifying enemies. But the presentation is so much better and the game mechanics are superb. You once again play as Raz, the young psychonaut in training, and you use all your mysterious psychic powers to navigate this fun and exciting world. Did I ever tell you that I have psychic powers? Yeah, I can move things with my mind, even through the internet. Here, I'm going to concentrate. Something in your room is going to start to lift off the ground. Wait, I'm going to concentrate. There you go. I'm sure it worked, right? Things were probably flying all around in your room. If not, you probably just have a bad internet connection or something. Reboot your router and play the video again. I'm sure it'll work. Anyway, I was thrilled to be back in the world of the Psychonauts. I give this game a huge thumbs up. In fact, if I had 2 thumbs, I'd lift them both right now. But now I'm going to go into creator mode. Now it's time for me to make my own game over at UME Academy's Creator Club. My character's going to have to escape through a level populated with scary monsters using only her incredible psychic powers. Ugh, check out this monster. I don't like the look in his eye. What you looking at, creepy? To make my psychic powers work, I'm going to use Yumi's custom switch trigger component. I can set up traps, then use the switch trigger to set them off. First, I'm going to throw this suit of armor using only the power of my mind. For this monster, I'm going to drop a chandelier on his head using just the power of my mind. Uh-oh, more monsters, and these are big ones too. I'm going to have to do something different. How about I focus all my psychic energy into creating a giant ghost chicken? Go get him, chicken! Yeah, I made it! It's showdown time! Now I'm going to decide which game I liked best. Psychonauts 2 was a fantastic experience, even better than the first game, which is one of my favorite games ever. But my game had incredible psychic powers, terrifying monsters, and an incredible ghost chicken. So I pick my game because it was cool and because I made it. You can make your own games over at UME Academy's Creator Club. Come check it out. I can't wait to see what you can make. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!